Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert border to page in LibreOffice Draw. If you want to do it, first you need to create a new shape, so we need to select here rectangle, and then we need to draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. So how you see, it has been successfully added to our page. So now we need to click right mouse button here, and we need to open area settings. Now we should see here area tab. We need to select here none, and then we need to click OK. Okay, so border has been successfully added here, but of course you can edit here the style of the border if you want. You need to click right mouse button somewhere here, and you need to go to line. Here you can change the style of this line. I recommend you to select here default option, it is continuous, but of course you can try different styles of lines, maybe ultra fine dot. Then I change the color maybe to black, so I select here black. And you need to insert here thickness that you want to use. Of course, everything depends on your preferences. Here you can check the preview of your border. So maybe I will go back to style and I will select here continuous. It is how it looks, so I think it is really great. And of course you can select here corner style. On default it is set to rounded. And if you want to save the change, you need to click OK button. And how you see border is visible here. So it looks really great. If I helped you to add it to your page in LibreOffice Draw, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.